Hi everyone, praise the Lord. That noise calm me down now because it was so loud. Get the rain. Raining hard. Oh yeah, because that was part of the Hurricane Raphael. Yep, another hurricane out there. How many more we have to go through? Yeah, probably quite a bit more to go. It's already November. The hurricane season usually ends already. I thought it was November 1st, but I got November 30th. I have to find out later. But the time supposed to hit New Orleans that way. But the rain pushed up from the Gulf. Yep. We needed the rain because we haven't had rain since Debbie. That's what, 2 months ago already? Hurricane Debbie. Oh yeah. 2 months ago. Unbelievable. Dried all that time. You can hear a little dripping. That's from the trees. You're trapping. Anyway, because it's pre-recorded, we don't know who the winner yet. I'm airing this tomorrow. Hi, I'm Pat Marco, and this is Marco's Journey. Raining more down. Those rain cells. Spot. Yep. So I'm sorry if you hear that noise. It had nothing to do with that noise over the summer. I already cut that noise off. But this one I can't. It's nature. And because it's RV, you know, if you have anything 10, it makes all that noise. If I had a regular house, the roof would be quiet. Because the angle, this is flat. It would be pitch. And if it's rubberized roof, it'd be quiet rather than aluminum. With aluminum, it's a lot noisier. But more and more roofs are like that. It makes a lot of noise. I know. I can understand, but you're hearing it, I'm deaf. I don't have to wear hearing aids. I didn't have to until I put it on a few minutes ago before recording that. Wow, loud. Then it slowed down. Good. Perfect timing. I can do that. Should be today or tomorrow with all this rain. Yeah. We're supposed to go grocery shopping. But the weather, it can't run out in the rain like that. It'll be equivalent to having a snowstorm in upstate New York. Oh yeah. It's like 1 inch of rain equals 3 inches of snow. Oh yeah. Many times average, what, 15, 18 inches of snow. It's a snowstorm. Syracuse. Alright, that's equivalent to, let's see. Because like it's at 3 to 1. Say 15 inch, there'll be 5 inch of rain. This is 2 inch of rain. 2 times 3 at 9 inch. No, wait a minute. 2 times 3 at thick inch. That's right. Thick inch it. That's how much snow. It's not quite packed down for snowmobiling. That's why it's very limited time to snowmobile. You need like maybe 9 inches or more because it's packed down. See, let's say that much of snow. New fresh snow. It's packed down. Get so much weight. It hardens, it turns to ice. And then you can ride a snowmobile. I don't know about how they're selling it this year because Arctic Cat only sold 3,600 flat. You only have to make spring order. That's it. Louder. It was different than with that. It's more of a rain. The hurricane, the hurricane we had recently, so much shaking, you saw my bottle shake, that it's more of a wind than rain, because I don't hear it. It would whistle type, rather than the rain. What's interesting about the hurricane we had, that damage washed up in North Carolina. I slept long, I'm good, but the weather makes me sleepy and tired. Anyway, the eye went right by that way. Not that far. The eye, about an hour drive. Yeah, maybe 30 minutes. That's where the eye was. That was caught. Yeah. We're blocked. My neighbor did it. Yeah. Yeah. It was so bad. I already talked about that a little bit. It wasn't too bad here. A little bit of tree down. But with wood. Just about half mile down. That's where the work began. Over that way. Nope. Here. Nope. Just one branch. But over there, oh yeah, a lot of branches were down. On that street going north to Wilton from this row. This is out the countryside. But Wilton's up that way. So that row, there were a lot of trees were down. That's why we didn't have power for a couple of days. Anyway, then I went up to, I had to get something in town. Then I went all the way to Aiken. It was a lot worse there. A lot worse. They had 2 lane, very wide road. They made it very narrow. Cars driving so close. They were actually with the median. But they had to get a lot of the branches and trees were cut and pushed aside to the road. Aiken is famous for a lot of hanging trees over the road, which is not a good idea. But a lot of them are like that. A lot of them were caught. So you're a little too late to see how beautiful that is with those hanging trees. All gone. Yep. Because of the wind, it rustle up, break, like that. A lot of the workers it take time to put the wires up and all that. Here we covered pretty quick, within 2 days. But in town, a few days. And business were limited time to run. Because of all these things going on. August that would hit harder, they said that. Because, alright, looking at north, south, east, west. I know it, to me, it eats this way. But I'm flipping for you to see. Okay, August that right here, August right there, I'm way over here. Okay, the eyes like right here. They got hit harder than August. But August was just bad. No, it was there. But it's really gotten worse up north, especially in North Carolina. Oh, that was bad. The eyes, it's like it crashed into, you know what I'm saying? It just wouldn't fell through it down, it crashed into right there, then shipped that way to Tennessee. A lot of people love Asheville. They're beautiful and everything, the mountains and all that, the flowers and all that. That's all the after picture. Gone. They all bad. Gone. Bad like photograph shows everything bad. It was gone. Then they're still recovering. They're still trying to recover. That and in Florida. Pray for everybody, really, because it's really hard. With Catering, they recover like maybe 10 years later, finally. That take a long time. So this one, it's different. It's what? Because New Orleans is flat. It's easy to clean up quickly, and the water has to do and all that stuff. But up there, that's mud. It's changed the landscape. It's changed everything. And it's all like that. Mountain, valleys, and creeks, curves, all that. For example, one road, I seen the picture right side the mountain valley there. Very small. Now, that road that's gone underwater, washed away. There's no way they can fix that road because of all that. So they may have to redesign to go around more. It's different than New Orleans. New Orleans took 10 years. Now that could take years, maybe 20 years. Florida, it'll be quick. My father's state, he's fine. Plate's fine, everything's fine. Back to normal. He knew that. That's why he didn't want to leave. I understand why a lot of people won't leave, because of their values. HDY. We get a lot of lootery. People break and steal things. It's why there's a lot of gay communities there, but that's not enough. Get the power down gate that's broken open. Then they can break into anybody's house. They need to have battery control alarm with wireless system that when somebody breaks in, the alarm goes off. And the police will get there in a few minutes. Boom. Mean get arrested and all that stuff. Down in Florida, the governor had to issue last year that any hurricane comes and hit and anybody breaks an entry will be shot. You know what I meant with Florida? We need to do the same everywhere. Speaking of shaking, that's why I'd rather they have a house, a foundation, stand up on a rock, rather than the RV. I'm black. Went through how many hurricanes? Last year, one hurricane. This year, three of them with this one out there right now. Three of them. Ida. Oh, excuse me, 4. Ida. That's last year. That's right, Ida. This year, I can't remember the first one, but Debbie. A little bit off of that. One from Florida. Helene. Then, now it's Raphael. Well, gone a lot of letters already. A lot of different hurricanes. So please pray for everybody that needs safety and get their house built correctly. Wow. Because the code fits to see at 0.14. I know, because I'm a designer. 0.14 is perfectly round. If you square, that's 0.28. You're more likely flat. Done. Blown away. If it's round, it's proven. This architect invented to prove everybody that round is better. He had his own plate. All the other plates were all square. And then a hurricane went by and hit a few years ago. Boop, 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 boop. All the other flat hits were still standing. It was still standing. All the other were flat, but hit did not. And will everybody listen to that? They don't want to. Need to have a round house in Florida. Up here too. Need round houses. So, if you like to support me in the video, pay, then all that money will go towards to buy a property. And I will design a round house, and I'll show you right on YouTube. Round house. Yeah. And I'll show you when the hurricane comes by. I'll show proof. I'm going to show it right here on this video. Do it. Alright. That's it for now. God bless.